So first you're going to log into YouTube, then you click on your picture icon up in the corner and go to Creator Studio. Once you click Creator Studio, you should see live streaming over to the left. When you click on live streaming, you're going to go to Events. Then you click New Live Event. Type in your title, whatever that might be. You set your date. It's actually easier if you set the time first and then the date. And then everything, you can add a description if you want to. You don't have to. You're going to change here from public to unlisted or leave it public. And then this is where the Hangouts comes in. You click on this button that says Quick, and that sets up a Google Hangout on air. Once you click Create Event, that will be in your list of events so that now you can press Start Hangout on air and you're ready to record.